Everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn on increase on screen message display time on the application of Canva. We go to Canva app. In this page you will write a moment, then you will go to above here to this sign as you see, and you will click. Here in this page you will go to personal. Here we go to settings and you will enter. In this page you will go to your account, and here we're scrolling down until you find this sign and you will click to turn on this sign here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.